this explained that in this tutorial on how to auto sync your videos on TikTok using sounds. So let's get started. First, open up your TikTok account or app and then tap on the plus icon in the middle. In here, you can choose or upload a preset already made videos. In this case, we're going to use some cat videos. Here. And just click on the edit and this will prompt you to go to the edit screen of TikTok. Just same like to a CapCut scene video editor. And you should add one more clip as a minimum of 2 to auto sync the sound to your videos. And the AI will be the one who's capable of doing this for you to not really care about it anymore. So after that, the auto sync will be available now, and tap on it and this will auto sync the sound to your video as well. It will either speed up, slow down, or even make a cut to your video. So if you're not satisfied yet, you can add more videos on it and try to longer out the videos as well to make it more engaging to the other people and make it entertaining as well. As you can see, it really syncs the audio to your scenes as well. And that's about it. Just explain that, and that's how to successfully auto sync your videos on TikTok.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.